Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to get started with Apple Intelligence on iOS 26. If you're using any iPhone and you have iOS 26 and you want to use Apple Intelligence, so let's see how can you do that. First of all, you have to open up your settings. In settings, go and check if you are using iOS 26, and then you have to look for Apple Intelligence and Siri option. Simply tap on that, and from here you can easily enable Apple Intelligence. Just enable that toggle. Once you have enabled, Apple Intelligence has been enabled on your phone. Now you can easily select the language. You can easily select a language from different languages from here. Once you have selected, just go to talk to Siri, and from here you can easily enable your Siri. So you have different option. You have to press side button for Siri. You can easily enable that, or you can say just enable that option and then say hey Siri, and your Siri will be enabled. So here you have different settings that is allow Siri when locked. If you are on your lock screen, so you can simply use Siri, just enabling this toggle. And here the voice of your Siri, you can easily select the Am- American voice and get example, and here your Siri responses. So in this way you can easily use Apple Intelligence on your iOS 26. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.